Hey everyone, it's Mrs. Spinner. We're going to go over today's agenda. This is September 3rd, 2020, so let's jump into it. So first off, you're going to have to take your attendance quiz. Again, you're going to go to our Canvas homepage. It's going to be under modules, and you're going to take the 9-3 daily attendance here in the daily attendance module. Then you're going to complete your Quill bell ringer. Yesterday there were some issues with completing Quill bell ringers. So if you run into those issues, you can just ignore completing it for today. But if you can get onto quill.org, feel free to complete one of your activities under the To-Do Activities tab. We yesterday introduced plot and characters. So today what I'd like you to do is to go again to modules, scroll to where you see the short story module, and there's going to be a link to a Quizlet practice activity with that vocabulary. Now, if you see this little sad face, a lot of you ask me, like, what do I do? You're just going to click on the link and it will open. So you're just going to click on the title, Quizlet to practice vocab. It'll come up. So you can play some games. You could do gravity game, you can do match game, whatever you'd like to do. Please play one of those games just to practice these terms because you will see them again on an assessment. Once you've completed your Quizlet, you're going to watch a Pixar short film and complete the plot diagram graphic organizer with it. So let's see how we find that. You're going to go to modules. You're going to scroll down to the short story module. You're going to click where it says For the Birds plot diagram. So this is the plot diagram that you will be filling out. So there's two different Pixar shorts. There's one called Day and Night at the top, and then there's one called For the Birds at the bottom. You only need to complete For the Birds, so you're only completing the second half. This is a PDF, so make sure that you are in the Canvas app and you can draw on this PDF. When you are done, you will hit submit. I will post the link for the YouTube video that you should watch in order to complete this. So again, you're watching the YouTube video For the Birds and you are completing this chart. So first we're going to talk about the movie moment. So you're going to answer the question, how does this movie screenshot tell us what time in history this happens? So think of setting for this, right? Like what's the time of day? What's the place? What's around? So just notice kind of the surroundings for the setting. Tell me who the characters are, maybe a little bit about them. Again, you can mention the setting here, but you can tell us the time in history in the movie moment section. Again, you're going to follow what three events for rising action lead to the climax, the most suspenseful moment of the story. Then there's two events for our falling action. You're going to put the conflict here, the main problem, and the resolution here, how the main conflict is resolved. So again, I will put the link for the YouTube video here. If you have any questions, please feel free to email. But that is all today. Also, please make sure to study your etymology unit. You're going to go to modules. You're going to scroll down to etymology. So again, this is your list of words. This is your list of words. This was your quiz. This is your list of words. And then if you haven't completed your Kahoot, please make sure to study by completing that Kahoot. Otherwise, you can study using your list of words. So I hope that was helpful. Again, if you have questions, let me know. But that is it. So have a great day, guys.